When you think of an animal building a structure, you might think of a beaver dam. But some animals build structures that are way more complex than that. Here are some of the most incredible builders in the animal kingdom. First, we have to talk about the humble spider. Not only does it build a web to catch its food, but it also builds a unique type of web for laying its eggs. The spider creates a small platform and then uses silk to suspend its egg sac from it. Different spiders build different webs. Orb spiders build webs that are shaped like a circle or a spiral. They create these webs by spinning a thin line of silk and then attaching it to a twig or leaf. Once the web is complete, they will often coil up and hang from the center of it until it's time to capture their next meal. But not all webs are created equal. The gossamer spider builds webs that are so thin and light that they can catch insects in midair. These webs are made of a single strand of silk and are suspended from a tree or leaf. When an insect flies into one of these webs, it's instantly trapped and the spider can wrap it up and eat it. Then we have the weaver bird. This small bird builds large, intricate nests high up in trees. These nests can take up to 2 weeks to build and are used to house multiple birds. Weaver birds are known for their incredible weaving skills. They use sticks, leaves, and other materials to create a nest that is both sturdy and flexible. They also build special feeding platforms outside of their nest where they can safely feed their young. But these birds aren't the only ones with a taste for architecture. The blue and white flycatcher builds its nest in a completely different way. Instead of weaving a nest out of sticks and leaves, this bird digs a hole in a tree and makes its home there. These nests can be up to 12 feet deep and are lined with soft material for the eggs. The blue and white flycatcher is just one of many birds that use a cavity, such as a tree hole, to build their nest. These birds often have to excavate the cavity using their beaks and claws. Once the cavity is big enough, they'll line it with soft material like feathers and grass. And let's not forget about the amazing termite. These insects build huge mounds that can be over 6 feet tall. These mounds are not just for show. They are an impressive feat of engineering. Termites are constantly digging and carrying soil to create and maintain their mound. They also build elaborate tunnels inside the mound to help them move around and find food. Some termites even build huge towers on top of their mounds. These towers are used to help the termites regulate the temperature and humidity inside the mound. These are just a few of the animals that build amazing structures. From the tiniest spider to the largest termite, these creatures are all expert builders. So next time you see an animal building something, remember that they may be more skilled at it than you are.